In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best hair clippers for men in 2026 on Amazon. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best hair clippers for men in 2026. Number 1. Novah Professional Hair Clippers for Men. Cordless barber clipper and trimmer set with precision fade blades. Rechargeable hair cutting kit for professional barbers and home grooming. Professional Barber Performance High Torque Motor delivers powerful, smooth, and consistent cutting for all hair types. Complete clipper and trimmer set includes a full-size clipper and precision trimmer for fades, tapers, beard grooming, and detailing. Cordless rechargeable operation. Long-lasting rechargeable battery provides cordless freedom for uninterrupted grooming sessions. Precision fade blades. Sharp stainless steel blades ensure clean cuts, crisp lines, and accurate blending. Ergonomic design. Lightweight. Number 2. VGRPRO Professional Hair Clippers for Men. Cordless hair clipper and trimmer set. Rechargeable electric barber kit with precision blades. Travel storage case. Gold. Powerful professional motor delivers smooth, fast, and precise cutting for all hair types. Cordless clipper and trimmer set includes a full-size clipper and detail trimmer for complete grooming. Precision stainless steel blades designed for sharp fades, tapers, beard trimming, and clean edge-ups. Rechargeable cordless design. Long lasting battery provides flexible, uninterrupted grooming sessions. Premium storage case includes a durable carrying case for organized storage and easy travel. Ideal for home and barber use. Perfect for professional barbers and personal grooming at home. The VGRPRO Professional Hair Clippers and Trimmer Set is designed to deliver barbershop quality haircuts with power and precision. Featuring a high-performance motor and sharp stainless steel blades, this cordless grooming kit effortlessly cuts through thick, fine, and coarse hair while creating smooth fades, tapers, and crisp edges. The included precision trimmer is ideal for beard grooming, detailing, and finishing touches. Its rechargeable cordless design offers maximum convenience and freedom of movement, making it perfect for home grooming or professional salon use. A premium storage case keeps all accessories organized and ready for travel. Combining performance, durability, and style in an elegant gold finish, the VGRPRO Hair Clippers set is an excellent choice for achieving professional results every time. Number 3. Ufree Beard Trimmer and Hair Clippers for Men. Cordless barber clipper and trimmer set. Electric razor hair cutting kit for beard, mustache, and body grooming. Rechargeable grooming gift. That all-in-one grooming kit complete set for trimming hair, beard, mustache, sideburns, and body hair. Sharp precision blades. Stainless steel blades deliver smooth, accurate cutting with minimal pulling. Cordless rechargeable design. Long-lasting battery provides convenient, unrestricted grooming. Powerful and quiet. Motor efficient performance for all hair types with reduced noise. Multiple guide combs. Customized cutting lengths for haircuts, fades, and beard styling. Perfect gift for men. Ideal for home grooming, travel, or professional barber style results. The Ufree Beard Trimmer and Hair Clippers set is a versatile grooming solution designed for complete head-to-toe care. Featuring sharp stainless steel blades and a powerful, quiet motor, this cordless grooming kit delivers precise trimming for hair, beards, mustaches, sideburns, and body hair. The rechargeable design provides cordless convenience, while multiple guide combs allow you to create everything from clean fades to detailed beard styles with ease. Whether you're maintaining your everyday look or achieving a professional style haircut at home, the Ufree grooming kit offers reliable performance, comfort, and precision. Compact, easy to use, and built for everyday grooming, it also makes an excellent gift for men on birthdays, Father's Day, holidays, or any special occasion. Number 4. Novah Professional Barber Clippers and Trimmer Set with Foil Shaver. Cordless hair clipper kit for men. Rechargeable barber grooming set for haircuts, fades, beard trimming, and detailing. Complete 3-in-1 barber kit includes professional hair clippers, precision trimmer, and foil shaver for full grooming. Powerful cordless performance high torque motor delivers smooth, fast, and consistent cutting for all hair types. Precision fade blades create clean fades, tapers, sharp lines, and detailed. Beard styling with ease. Foil shaver for ultra-close finish provides a smooth, irritation-free shave for necklines, bald fades, and finishing touches. Rechargeable and ergonomic design, long-lasting battery, and comfortable grip ensure effortless control during extended use. Professional and home use, ideal for barbers, stylists, and anyone seeking salon-quality haircuts at home. The Novah Professional Barber Clippers and Trimmer Set with Foil Shaver is a complete grooming solution for achieving professional quality haircuts and shaves. This number 5 Best Bomb Hair Clippers Set for Men BS808DR, Professional Cordless Hair Clipper, Zero Gap T-Blade Trimmer and Electric Shaver Grooming Kit, Barber Hair Cutting Set, Bronze. Complete 3-in-1 grooming kit includes professional hair clippers, Zero Gap T-Blade Trimmer, and electric shaver for full body grooming. Precision Zero Gap T-Blade delivers sharp lines, detailed edging, fades, and beard styling with exceptional accuracy. Powerful cordless performance high-speed motor provides smooth, efficient cutting for all hair types. Rechargeable and ergonomic design, comfortable grip, and long-lasting battery offer maximum control and cordless convenience. Professional barber results, perfect for haircuts, beard trimming, mustache grooming, and finishing touches at home or in the barbershop. Great gift for men. Stylish bronze finish makes it an ideal gift for birthdays, Father's Day, holidays, and special occasions. The Best Bomb BS808DR Hair Clippers Set is a complete professional grooming kit designed for precision, performance, and convenience. Featuring a powerful cordless hair clipper, a Zero Gap